as a musician, as a lead vocalist, as an instrumentalist, if you don't have this Moises app, then you'll be limited in many things that you do. Now, this app can help you to filter. It can help you to reduce your noise. It can help you to remove vocals. You can remove the instrumentals, and you put your instrument on it again. So, if you're a lead singer, if you're a saxophonist, a keyboardist, a pianist, a guitarist, any kind of instrumentalist that you are, you need this instruments or this app rather, because it will help you to make your work easier, especially when practicing. We also show you in this video how you can extract it and record your own voice so that you can even use it for your own personal music. Just take for example, you want to sing a song that has been sung by a favorite musician. You can record your voice inside it using this app. This app is so lovely. Check it out. Let's see how it works. I just any part of the instrument or any type of music you want. Alright, so quickly I will show you how you can make use of it. And please, if you're new on this channel, my name is Dami. On this channel, I do a lot of wonderful things. I teach music, I teach AI, I do a lot of wonderful things. You won't regret subscribing to this channel. Hit on the subscription button, like this video, share with friends. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. So let's dive in. Let's say you can make use of this app. And please don't forget to share with friends and subscribe. Let's go.
Alright, so the name of the app that we'll be using is Moises. Moises. You go to your Play Store and you type Moises. Moises. So this is how it look like. So you download it from your Play Store and you install it on your phone. Now, once it's done, this can be used for any kind of music and it's best for your personal practice. You can use it for not just for choir alone, but for musician and instrumentalist. All right, so here's how it look like. You can see there's a place where you can practice your guitar if you're a guitarist. So you have some chord here you can even follow for your personal practice. So this is nice for you as an instrumentalist. So a guitarist can see what you want to play and make use of it. Okay, but now if you are other instrumentalists or for other musicians, so you register so that you get used to it. Okay, I'm just trying to show you some of the features of it. All right, so let's get to how you can make use of it. So this is how the front page look like. So you can import your song. You import any song you want to separate. All right, so you can either pick from your gallery or you go to your file. So you can see there are different options for you to pick. So let's use our file. From there you can look for video or audio. All right, let me pick like Chike. So you can pick any song from your folder in your phone. All right, so you can see both vocals and instrumentalists. Once you click it, you click submit so that it will load and separate those files or those music in parts for you. Here are some of the examples of those ones I've done here. Okay. All right, so let me just pick, because while it's loading, let me pick one example. So here's a song, and from this one, you can see from up, it's showing the chord arrangement. So even if you're learning how to play chord, you can get it from there. All right. Or you can see, you can reduce your vocal. Once you reduce your vocal, you're left with just instrumental. So if you want to practice, you can sing along while the music is playing. And if you want to play your music to accompany it, you can reduce the instrumental while the voice alone is playing. So you see where you need this for your personal rehearsal. You need to share this video with every musician. If you're a choir, share it to your choir member in any group you are. They need this app. It's so lovely. When you are asked to score a song, just put it here, remove the person's voice and start singing. It's just lovely. Just lovely, because whenever you are coming out, you will have perfected this song so much. And another thing is that you can change the key. If the key is too high for you, you look for a convenient key for yourself. Okay, say, I can't sing on that key. Very easy. Change the key. Or you keep looking for a key that is convenient for you and say, okay, I think this is better. I think I can pitch on this. It's just lovely. So this is Moises. Please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. I do a lot of wonderful things on this channel. Teach AI, teach music, and most especially, you can't subscribe and will not get something. So it is purely educational in this channel, and you won't regret subscribing to this channel. So you can even increase the loop. If it's too fast, you can make it slow. This is good if you want to score a part. Maybe you want to play music and you can't get what the person really played. You can reduce the tempo. So this is just the best app for every musician, for any instrumentalist as well. The name of the app is Moises. Okay, so just like I said, some others, they are in 4 folds. I think I will have to show you an example. So from here you can export. Yes, let me show you how you can export and save them. Okay, so you see export. Export means you are saving in your phone. So you can see you save to the device, so you can save on your phone. So that is after you are done. After recording on it, you can save. If you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. You can see we have vocals, we have guitar, we have other things you can remove in your music. So if there's no lead guitarist and there's no bass guitar, it won't bring it out. So it can remove drum as well. So if you don't want drum, so you can save on your phone, and once you are done, boom, that is it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with friends. Thanks.